We are in the great state of, wait for it, Iowa. That's right. Mountain biking here is good too. We're Interstate Power Preserve, Dubuque County Conservation. I think by the map, these are all directional trails, sounds like, looks like, and you just keep taking rights, which makes it really nice if you're from out of town and don't know where you're going. Something we've noticed here, we rode yesterday down the road in Cedar Rapids, is how much their dirt packs down after construction. It's just pretty wild. Oh, there's some rocks in this trail.
Yeah.
We did a video yesterday, but it was mentioned several times that there was not any rocks in the tread whatsoever, no gravel, no nothing, which was really weird for us being from Arkansas, and especially Arkansas and the Ouachita's. It's just rocky.
I wonder what it's like to build a trail without rocks in it. Ooh, be fun.
I think I caught word that Chad Landowski built these trails. I'm not sure if that was under Traction Trail Works or if he was working for somebody else, but pretty fun so far. Nice, flowy. Wouldn't expect to see this in Iowa.
Oh, yeah. Some rocks.
More rocks. In the pictures I saw on Trail Forks, there gets down in here somewhere some bluffy trail. Kind of looks like Leatherwoodish, that part of the Ozarks even. Maybe some stuff like that in Kansas City. Flows really well. Some of that old North Arkansas gravelly rock right there.
I was gonna say that.
I think they call that cursed. That's the formation that rock forms in. Back to that old baby butter smooth.
Is that an aspen? It looks like it.
I wouldn't think so. Looks like it though. This reminds me a lot of the Eureka area. Eureka
Yeah.
Springs, Arkansas, that is.
Ooh. Okay.
Go right. Oh, that's just a feature.
For real. I could have done that.
Thought that was a trail intersection. A big long ripper berm.
Come on.
Another ripper. My ripper to the right's not near as good as my ripper to the left.
Oh, I should have done that. So fun.
Yay! There's where we turned off for circuit breaker.
Okay.
Pretty fun trail. This is back on transmission line, I'm assuming. Isn't that what it was?
I don't know. I didn't read them.
There's one called Transformer. When we get there, I'm gonna sing, remember that snow song? Informer?
Oh, yeah.
Transformer.
No,
But I'm now.
it's Informer. Informer.
Yeah, bike to the left, hike to the right. Nice little berm. Woo, headwind. Huh?
Here, I guess.
To the straight.
Come on. Yeah. Sorry. You should have went first.
That one sticks to me, bro. Exposure! Oh yeah.
To the right?
To the right. I think that's a little cut through. short circuit. Nice little skills humps.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
I'm not going that way.
Yeah, I don't know if I got enough speed for that or not. We're gonna
I
try.
don't got enough legs. Any day.
Motor's not big enough this year yet.
This one, maybe. Oh, yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Look at all those rocks up there.
Looks like concrete to me, but I might be wrong. Ooh. This bike isn't really shifting that smooth.
What about your shifting?
Ooh. Some pedal strike going on there. I said it's not shifting that smoothly.
This probably needs to be adjusted.
It does.
Cable stretching.
Sometimes it goes like click, 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 and then it shifts in.
Is it always when you're shifting easier?
I'm not sure. Yes, I think so. It hasn't been doing it today, so I don't remember.
I twisted it a little bit the other day when you said it was doing that.
It did it yesterday, though. I remember it doing it. I was trying to think of what I was doing. Did we already ride down this? Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay.
We rode down right there to the left.
Okay, that's what I'm thinking of then.
Yeah, you've already been right there 50 foot.
Yeah.
We almost back to the top. Bypass exit, it said. Walk bike.
So they're saying you can walk out on the hiking trail?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that's what they're saying there. I really do like that they set the trail system up. Just keep taking rights. And it pretty much brings you back into where you turned off for like the stacked loop thing. That was really nice.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but my legs are really tired.
No, you're fine.
My whole body is tired.
You notice I didn't have to get my phone out not once?
Yes. That was...
Figure out where we're going.
I like it.
That's really nice.
But I sure didn't get a break when you're getting your phone out the way.
You can take a break whenever you want.
I know. I'm not gonna say I need a break. just gonna keep trying
I
to
may
go.
just call you a sissy.
What?
So I may just call you a sissy.
I know.
Yeah, look how much this stuff is packed in. It's pretty wild. I wonder if some of it's erosion. Looks like it'd be really fun resculpted, or even like original.
It wasn't fun the way it was.
Well, I don't know if it's just packing or if it is. I mean, like the drains are not draining out anymore because they're like all of this dirt is down there, but it's humped up pretty good.
Yeah, it's really concave.
Needs a little resculpt.
Oh,
There's the van, man.
get off. Watch out, they're coming at you. Oop.
Poked out right back where we came in. That's super nice. Thanks, Iowa.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks to Interstate Power Preserve. It's pretty good stuff.
Good trail.
Also, Tri-State Mountain Bike Association. Nope, excuse me. Tri-State Mountain Bike Riders. Timber. Good job, guys. Got a nice little bathroom facility here. Trailhead. It's always a nice little touch. Boop. Any final words for Iowa?
No, I like the trails at Iowa. They're fun. I wish my legs worked better today so I could enjoy it more, but
Well, might have been them cinnamon rolls you ate for breakfast, huh?
yeah.
All right, Iowa, we're out. See y'all. It'd be nice to live across the street here from this trail system. It'd be pretty rad. Peace.